Welcome to the Motorola Edge 30 now, and I'll show you how to unlock number on this device. So first let's launch the phone application, and after that we should click on the right upper corner to these three dots, then click here to the settings and tap to blocked numbers section. Now we can see here our two numbers in blacklist, and just to remove one from these numbers we should click here on the X icon and then click here to unblock. Now we can see the message that this number unblocked successfully. By the same way we can remove all of the numbers from here, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.